Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. At a time often defined by struggle, the actions of a charity organization offer a reminder that kindness still moves quietly and powerfully among us. Here is Sandy Williams with this evening's A Ray of Hope.
Ray of Hope.
It wasn't a crime scene, but the arrival of the police in Newlands, Portmore St. Catherine was met with the same urgency and readiness. With gloves on and hearts open, officers joined hands with volunteers to bathe, feed and care for some of the community's most vulnerable, the elderly and bedridden who have endured in difficult conditions. 4 vehicles, including a police van, were loaded with care packages. Inside the packages were essentials, toiletries, non-perishable food, beds, and even fans to offer comfort during the sweltering days ahead. In the homes of the elderly, the conditions reflected years of neglect and hardship. Clothes lay in scattered piles, some draped over furniture in makeshift arrangements. Yet amid the disarray, there was movement and purpose. Joshua True, a truck driver hired only to transport goods, could not ignore what he saw, so he picked up a mop and began cleaning.
I just give back a hand because I wouldn't want somebody for me in need and nobody no assist them. And this is who I am.
This was the first outreach program of the Brian and Friends Ray of Hope Foundation, a 1-month-old initiative founded by Siobhan Bryan. With barely time to establish roots, the foundation has already begun to impact lives. Among the recipients was an elderly homeless man, Mr. Jones. His story is one of resilience but also loss. For a time, he was helped by the sister of Nadine Ellis, a kind-hearted woman from the community. When her sister passed away last November, Nadine took over the care of Mr. Jones without hesitation.
Look about him, give him food, give him soap for bed, wash his clothes sometimes, and that's it.
Now, the foundation is actively seeking help to gift Mr. Jones a home to call his own.
They have space on the compound where they could put up something for him. It's just the material or the necessary assistance to get him that roof over his head.
The police officers who stood side by side with volunteers applauded the work of the foundation. Their presence underscored a different kind of service, one grounded not in enforcement but in empathy. As the day ended, there were no speeches or ceremonies, but something more powerful happened.
And I thank you, Almighty. Bless them, Lord. Come through for them. Guide and protect them. Bless them from your throne in heaven.
Brian and Friends has already pledged to expand its reach to other communities.
We're planning to go to Waterford, Independence City, and we are now in Newlands. We will also extend our reach to Brayton, Reedspen, and Dumblewollen community. So if we come across any additional persons who need assistance, we will actually have the hand them a care package.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Sandy Williams.
Ray of Hope.